Hello and welcome back, scholars. Our learning target is I can write an equation with an unknown to make sense of a two-step word problem. Today we're going to focus on using the tape diagram. In this case, we're going to use two different tape diagrams. There are 18 plants in the school garden. 6 are cucumbers, 3 are carrots. The rest are potatoes. How many plants are potatoes? Now we've already circled the key numbers. 18, this is in numeric form, and then 6 and 3 are in word form, but they are still numbers, so we circle them. And then here are some keywords, the rest. When we think about the rest, that means what is remaining, what is the remainder of plants that are, the plants that are left are the remaining plants, and so those would be the potatoes. So how many of those are potatoes? All right, so there's a number of ways that you can use the tape diagram. We're going to show at least 3 different ways this week. Please note that this problem is similar to the one that you'll be solving today, but there are different numbers and the items in the garden are slightly different. So make sure you pay close attention and solve the one that is in class rather than this one, which will be solved for you. All right, so we know that the total number of plants is 18, and then we know 6 are cucumbers, but we don't know we do know another number, but this is a way to break it down to make it a little bit easier. So 6 plus what equals 18, or 18 minus 6 equals what? When we look at it this way, we can do that mental math and we can think, okay, I know the 8 minus 6 is 2, and then 1 minus, there's no number here, it's 0, is 12. So this question mark becomes 12. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and circle it so we know it was added in. Now that we know that this is 12, this other add-in is 12, we're going to place it here as the now total that we're going to focus on. And now we're going to say that we have 3 carrots, and now we're looking for the unknown to find out how many plants are potatoes. So this could be 3 plus question mark equals 12, or it could be 12 minus 3 equals question mark, and we know that 12 minus 3 is 9. So the final answer, how many plants are potatoes? 9 of the plants are potatoes. Now again, this is one way to use a tape diagram, to break it into 2 tape diagrams. This week, we're also going to look at how to combine tape diagram in 2 or 3 different ways. We look forward to having you write an equation with an unknown to make sense of a 2-step word problem.